Previously on House of Kanaki.
Hi friends, we have made it. We have made it to South Korea, and we are here at, we'll let you read it. And we're having a great time. I have spicy tofu stew, and we're eating rice, and we're eating from level 1000 Korean chopsticks. They're flat, so this is going to be quite a challenge. So let's dig in and have fun. Goodbye.
I need to shake it. Oh my gosh, you're
Sister. Oh, one more good. How about let's just go this way? Let's just forget the picture.
Oh my god, that's probably why. There's two. I don't think I want to get stung by anything. Oh, no.
Yeah, wanna know what it's like? Show me what it's like. I don't wanna got no tights. I just wanna all night. Yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just been fantasize, and we got a lot of time. Maybe we can go to fight, 'cause I know what it's like. Yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know.
Wow, that was great.
If this world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. This a bop, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody's no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see you win, wanna see.
If this world were
It go
mine.
in, out, doors, slow.
재료들은 이 당면이 되겠고요.
So noodle
당면.
glasses was quite dry when you
그리고
purchase in the
오이.
Asian market. It's dry.
양파.
You have to put it in the water and the
그리고
onion,
이게
cucumber,
목이버섯.
and we call it ear mushroom.
네,
Yeah, it's
그리고
called ear
이거는
mushroom.
표고버섯.
Skin of cucumber. Yeah, the oil. Yeah, the oil. And then just a half or less than half spoon of sesame oil.
볶아주세요.
Need salt and pepper. All the ingredients without flavor. You put some flavor. Seed. Sesame seed. Put at now it's time for plating. After cooking, the white part is still there. Remember this? I can do it. Yeah, that's good.
여러분들 하시는 거 제가 봐드리고 앞으로 올 수 있도록 이렇게
So when you see the seaweed paper there first,
밥을 놓으실 때도 요거 3등분에서 3분의 2까지만 놔주세요.
so the rice will only cover 2/3 of the whole paper.
길게 이렇게 썰어주세요. 계란을 붙여줄 거예요.
So we will make the egg.
그래서 이 밥과 밥 사이를 딱 붙여주는 게 이렇게.
So remember the 2/3 of the rice. These two sides have to meet each other at the first each other.
말아야 쭉
And then you
말아가지고
make the roll.
꼭꼭
And then you have
눌러주세요.
to squeeze it. Now it's a male peacock. It's bigger.
자, 이거는
Deep way. It's French.
That was Yay! Almost. Wait. Got it.
they're well.
Yay!
It's a photo now.
You can sell it to him, right?
Oh yeah.
자, 빨리 한번 자, 김치.
Alright, kimchi. Oi. Yeah.
Do a peace sign. Do a peace sign.
이거 하트?
Hot is better, yeah. So personally, I do not really, I'm not much for glass noodles.
Hello friends, I am laying down in the bed. We're on our way to a temple stay up in the mountains. It's taken us about 4 hours now. We're narrowing in onto the temple so that we can kind of hang out. We did stop to get some food. I had some garlic ramen. It was delicious, to say the least, but we've got some beautiful views on the way up here. And I just can't wait for you to see it. It's going to be a transformative experience to where we are going to be meditating, sleeping, showering, just enjoying the fullness of peace. Literally, this is one of the excursions that I have been looking forward to, so I am excited about it.
Run that back, turbo.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The backhand just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she comes. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You wanna drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too.
For this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane.